Hey guys, how are you doing? I am Siddharth Pudar and I am here back with a video about how to download an older version of a Musically. Okay, if you're not happy, if you're not liking the latest update of Musically, I'm going to show how to download an older version of a Musically, and you can download it and use it if you're happier with the older version. But why to download an older version if you have the latest? Okay, but still it's your choice. So I'm going to show how to download an older version of a Musically right now. Okay, before we start that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe the channel, and after you see this video, please write in the comments if it helped you or not. So okay, let's start it. First, before you install the latest update of Musically, if you have any video in drafts, please go and save that videos, because after you uninstall it, you can't recover it. So if you have any videos saved in drafts, go save in private. I've already posted a video on how to save your draft videos in your camera roll or gallery or in private. So go to that video and see how to do it. So first of all, let's uninstall the latest update of Musically. Okay, now it's installed. Now we need to go to this site. The link will be given in the description, so don't worry. Okay, you need to go to this site and you can see Musically, and you can see the list of version of Musically over here. So if you want to download any version of Musically you want, your specific version, you can download it from here. 7.2 is the latest one updated till now, and 6.9 is the older one. The latest update started from 7.0.5, 7.1 and 7.2. You can see this, and the latest, the older one is the 6.9. So let's download that 6.9, and I'm going to click there, and it's download here, and we have to download there. So it will start. Okay, it's downloading. You can see it's downloading. So guys, I'm telling again, before uninstalling and downloading the older version of Musically, please save your drafts into your camera roll or gallery. If you uninstall it before that, you can't recover it, so please do that. Okay, it's downloaded, and let's open it, and it says install. Okay, let's install it. Let's see if it works or not. I'm sure it will work, but let's see. Okay, it's installing. So guys, any comments, any videos you want me to do, please drop your comments, and let's open. Okay, let's see. It's downloaded here. So you can see the Musically is open now. So now if you want to create an account, if you are a new user, create an account. If you are an old user, go to login and put your username and password. That will be my username. If you are not following me in Musically, go and follow. So it says login. I have logged in. I'm going to do done. Okay, now you can see the older version of Musically has been downloaded. So this is how you download. This is how you download the older version of Musically. You can use it. Now you can record your video, and it's all the same. You know how to use the older version of Musically. That's why you want to download it. So I'm not going to show how to use it. So for Android users, you can go to this link that I just downloaded, where I downloaded the older version of Musically. And for iPhone users, a link is given for My22 app. You can go to that link and download My22 app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to My22 app and click the Musically. You can get the older version of Musically in My22 app. So for Android users, the link of the website, and for the iPhone users, the link for My22 app. So for both users, you can go to that link, click that link, the link given in description, and you can download the older version of Musically and use it. This is how you can download the older version of Musically. So guys, if you learned, and if you are satisfied with this video, if you learned something, so please subscribe the channel and drop your views in the comment box. I hope you learned something. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye bye.